Hey guys, Mrs. Nickel here, and I want to show you very quickly what you're going to be doing in your Naviance lesson today. You're going to begin a college search. So this is what the lesson looks like when you first start it. You'll click next, read quickly about some advice for when you do your college search, and then you're going to click launch college search, and it's going to take you to this advanced college search, so another tool within Naviance. And notice these different categories across the screen. The type of school, the location of the school, information about students, how easy or difficult it is to get into the school, that's admission, in, athletics, majors, so like what programs you can study, costs, and special programs. So you can go through each of these and you have options of things you can click on. So for example, for type, I clicked on 4-year. I don't care if it's public or private right now. I want to be in a large town and co-ed, so boys and girls. And I had clicked on some other stuff here. But then after you've gone through these and clicked on the things that you want out of a college, you click View Matches. And it'll show you the criteria you've clicked on. And then it'll bring up a list of colleges that match your criteria. So if I want to learn more about these, I can click the More button, or I can add a few of these that I want to explore later and not forget about. I can click them and click on the Add to Colleges I'm Thinking About with this heart. Voila! And then it'll add it to a list in Naviance that's called Colleges I'm Thinking About. And then you can explore them more next year or, this year and just read more about them. It'll take you to their websites. You can click on all these links and stuff and read more about the colleges. So good luck, and then you'll finish your lesson and it says list 3 of the options you chose. These are some of the things I chose. You click next, and then you turn in your work. Done. Thanks, guys. Have fun exploring colleges.